Okay, so I got some time off the job site this week, so we wanted to take some time and answer a few of the questions you guys have been asking us. Um, we don't have a house right now that's in the stucco phase. There will be one coming up soon. I'll make that video as soon as that happens. Before that, though, we're going to talk about some benefits of our block. First and foremost, we live out here in the desert, so we wanted to make a video about fire resistance and energy efficiency. Um, Typical houses out of the traditional stick frame, you build out of wood. This is a MAP gas torch. Everyone knows what happens to wood when you light it on fire. It's going to burn, turn to ash, and crumble. The block, we can sit here and burn this all day long with the torch. I can have my hand right behind it, and there's absolutely no heat transfer, no flame spread, and no off-gassing. Okay, no flame spread, the flame's gone right away, and my hand on the back of it feels no heat coming through. This alone speaks great volumes as to how the block's going to perform against high heat and fire. If you want energy efficiency, stick and twigs is not the way to build your house. You want to build it out of a efficient block like ours. So if you have any questions about anything relating to our block, you can leave a question or a comment in the comment section below. We'll do our best to get back to them this week since we've got a little bit extra time going on between jobs. Just let us know. We'll get back to you.